Good evening. Today I am going to discuss about Roman numerals. The symbols of Roman numerals are, there are totally 7 symbols for Roman numerals. First, I stands for 1, V stands for 5, H stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100 and D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Let's see. Okay, let's write 1 to 10 in Roman numerals. For 1 we will write 1I, for 2 we will write double I, and for 3 we will write triple I. Now you are probably thinking we will write 4 I's. For 4, but it's wrong. We will write IV because 5 is V. So 4 is less than 5. So we will put I before V means 4, and we use V for 5. And for 6 we will write VI because 6 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 I here. And for 7 we will write V double I. And for 8 V triple I. Now you are probably thinking we will write VI, but it's wrong. We will write IX because 10 is X and 9 is smaller than 10 by 1. So we will put I again and X. Means IX means 9 and 10X. Okay. Now we will write from 11 to 20 in Roman numerals. For 11 we will write XI, and from 12 we will write X double I, and for 13 we will write X triple I, and for 14 we will write XIV. IV means 4 and X means 10. 14 and 15 XV, 16 XVI. X stands for 10 and V are 6. And 17 XVI. 18 XVII and 19 XIX, 20 XX. Now you are probably thinking why we use 2x, because 1x is 10. If we add another x or 10, it will become 20. Now we will write from 21 to 30 in Roman numerals. For 21 we will write XXI, and for 22 XXII, and for 23 XXII, and 24 XXIV, and for 25 XXV, and for 26 we will write XXVI, and for 27 XXVII, and for 28 XXVIII, and for 29 XXIX, and 30 XXN means triple X. Now we will write from 31 to 40 in Roman numeral. For 31 we will write XXXI, for 32 XXXII, and for 33 XXXIII, and for 34 XXXIV, and for 35 XXXV, and for 36 XXXVI, and for 37 XXXVII, and for 38 XXXVIII, and for 39 XXXIX. For 40 we will write XL. You are probably thinking why we will not write X, 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 X for 40, because 50 is L. So 40 is less than 50. So we will put X. Means XL means 40. Now we will write from 41 to 15 Roman numerals. For 41 we will write XLI, and for 42 XLII, and for 43 XLIII, and for 44 XLIV, and for 45 XLV, and for 46 XLVI, and for 47 XLVII, and for 48 XLVII, and for 49 we will write XLIX, and for 50 we will write L.